Do you ever wonder how ancient dust turns into timeless art? Craftsmen create stunning porcelain tiles, known as kini in Turkish. These delicate items reflect centuries of artistic evolution and deep culture. Visitors look at these masterpieces and figure out their history. Although times change, this traditional art form survives today. Artisans mix natural clay with water to start the production. They break down raw materials into fine, smooth powders. Because the process requires precision, masters supervise every single step. When the mixture becomes ready, they shape it carefully. This careful preparation guarantees high quality in every final piece. Kilns play a vital role in baking the molded ceramic pieces. Workers heat up large industrial ovens to extremely high temperatures. As soon as the tiles dry, they enter the fire. While the heat transforms the clay, colors become permanent. Therefore, the finished tiles resist both time and harsh weather. Traditional patterns usually feature floral designs and bright blue pigments. Painters carry out intricate brushwork with remarkable skill and patience. Even though modern styles emerge, classical motifs remain very popular. Whenever tourists visit local markets, they buy these souvenirs. Because artisans preserve old techniques, the legacy lives on. Tile art connects the glorious past of Asia to modern society. Experts look into historical archives to study ancient trading routes. Since cultural exchange shapes modern design, traditional patterns travel far. While history books record these facts, museums display the artifacts. Thus, people worldwide appreciate the timeless beauty of Chinese ceramics. A massive technological wave sweeps across modern China today. Factories set up smart automation systems to boost daily output. As digital infrastructure expands rapidly, traditional industries undergo major changes. When engineers introduce robotics, manufacturing speeds increase significantly. Consequently, the nation leads global technological advancement and innovation. Artificial intelligence drives modern cities and massive industrial complexes. Programmers carry out complex software updates to optimize urban grids. Since smart algorithms monitor energy consumption, cities save valuable resources. While machines learn from data, efficiency improves every day. Therefore, everyday life transforms into a futuristic digital experience. Communication networks connect millions of citizens through high-speed internet. Telecom companies roll out advanced 5G infrastructure across remote areas. Because connectivity matters, digital payments replace traditional cash completely. When people use mobile apps, financial transactions happen instantly. Thus, society moves toward a cashless and paperless future. Green technology takes center stage in the National Modernization Plan. Engineers bring about eco-friendly solutions to reduce heavy carbon emissions. Although industrial growth causes pollution, renewable energy steps in. As solar and wind power plants expand, cities breathe. Because leaders care about sustainability, green initiatives grow rapidly. Research laboratories spearhead cutting-edge developments in quantum computing. Scientists look into physics equations to break new barriers. While global competitors race forward, local researchers achieve breakthroughs. When new patents register, the national economy grows stronger. Therefore, high-tech sectors attract massive international investments daily. Tradition and high technology meet In unexpected and creative ways, designers mix up ancient tile patterns with digital art displays. As smart museums open their doors, visitors experience history. When tourists wear VR headsets, virtual kilns ignite. Because technology enhances storytelling, cultural heritage reaches younger generations. Modern factories manufacture smart tiles embedded with tiny microchips. Technicians put together IoT sensors and traditional ceramic surfaces. While buildings regulate indoor temperatures, walls monitor structural health. Although materials look traditional, they perform futuristic functions. Thus, old craftsmanship adapts successfully to modern demands. Education systems evolve to match the fast-paced digital economy. Universities take on ambitious programs combining art and computer science. Since students learn coding alongside traditional design, creativity peaks. When young innovators graduate, they launch unique startups. Consequently, the job market thrives on multidisciplinary talent and vision. Global markets embrace this unique blend of heritage and tech. Exporters ship off smart ceramic products to international buyers. Because quality standards remain exceptionally high, global demand surges. While international trade expands, cultural influence spreads further. Therefore, the country solidifies its unique position worldwide. The journey from ancient kilns to smart cities never stops. Observers look back at history with immense pride and wonder. As the future unfolds, innovation shapes every single aspect. When tomorrow arrives, new technologies redefine human limits. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button for more videos.